Behind me is a Gulfstream Aqua Mach 1. That's the original color. It's a big block car. It's got a 4-speed and a whole bunch of work done under the hood. Tune as we go around this new arrival today. We go for a spin, show you the ins and outs, and tell you everything you need to know to get you up to speed on this 69 Mach. Kicking things off on the front end, got everything good going on. We got the blackout hood treatment. We got nice bright work around the leading edge of the hood. Chrome looks great on that bumper. And we've got the lower chin spoiler looking tough as well. Can't miss that big shaker hood. Looks gorgeous. Has the right satin black finish. Nice consistent gaps on either side. We'll get right into things here. Now this is a factory S-code car. It still has the factory S-code motor, however, it's got Edelbrock Aluminum Heads bolted on and Edelbrock Aluminum intake. A 750 double pumper Holley up underneath there. We have a high-flowing aluminum water pump with this nice aluminum radiator to help keep things cool. This car has been converted to electronic ignition. Done so with that Mallory ignition box you see down there, controlling things. Looks like new wires, new hoses, fuel filter, like the auto light topper on the battery that looks nice. Here too, they've added a nice little closeout panel, sealing this up, keeping the air forced through that radiator. And this does have a 7-blade clutched fan on the front of that water pump snout. Going down the side of this car, beautiful paint. This looks so good. We're riding on a 235 60 R15 BF Goodrich. We've got disc brakes beyond there. Wheels and tires look to be newer. Great gaps. Nice glossy paint. It's a dual sport mirror car. Coming out back, matching BFG tire. However, this time it is a 245 60 on a 15. We've got a 390 traction lock gear and our 9-inch axle housing. Let me show you what we have in the trunk. Nice little trunk mat. We have a jack and a full-size spare if you ever need it. This is a fold-down seat car. Trunk gutters look nice and clean. Underside of the deck lid in good shape. Has a newer seal. Dig it. Rear quarter extensions look nice, fitted up well. Wheel lips look great. Glass looks to be original, also in a very nice condition. And then paint, body, looks just as good on this side as it does the driver. Whew. Doors open up beautifully. This car benefits from brand new door cards, a brand new carpet kit, brand new seat covers, nice new console. It's even got a new wheel in it, a new dash pad. Factory gauges shows 95,000 on the clock. Hurst competition shifter with the white ball. A couple of our vitals here where a factory ashtray would have been. I think that's a nice touch. We have a factory fitting but upgraded radios. This is from RetroSound, bringing some modern sound into this old school. And down below that we have the factory heater controls. A couple of seat belts. Inside the new console looks great. We do have a factory clock over here that is functional. Look at that. Out back here, nice fold down seat. These inner cards looking good. Dome lamp working. A little bit of sag in the headliner. No tears or cigarette burns, but it was not installed yesterday. Glass and seal looks good. I love the look of these louvers through here. We got the original buckles in here still too. And another little ashtray. Just left the shop a moment ago. Engine's warmed up. We're at 180 degrees, or just shy of that. We got 75 pounds of oil pressure when this thing's warmed up, which is excellent. Tack works, alternators charging. Fuel gauge is working too. We just put some fresh juice in her, all nice and cool. Gearbox and clutch feel great. We haven't gone through them spiritedly yet, but just running around town feels very nice. Nice notchy Hurst. Throughout the drive, you may hear a slight noise. These fold down rear seats do shake back and forth just a little bit. Really good throughout the RPM range. Just grab 4th gear. Disc brakes, stopping this thing nicely. And synchros in this trans feel great. We're dropping back down into 2nd now with no problems. Wow. A lot lots of giddy up in this thing. I wish we had a little more open road, but damn. Coming into this at about 40. Fast. Quick recap on this ride here. True S code, built 390, makes nearly 500 horse. I think it was 475 on the dyno. Gorgeous aesthetic. If you've been following us, you know we've had a 69 Mach in just about every color of the rainbow, and we love them. This is a rare color. This is the first for us in Gulfstream Aqua. It's gorgeous, it's fun, it's fast, and it's very well sorted. If you want to know anything more about it, you can drop us a line at any time. It's 248-714-2110, or give us a little jingle on the web. It's inquiry at LaFontaineClassicCars.com. That's our email I'm referring to. Thank you guys once more, and as always, the price and the link to view the full listing is in the description.